Start your future career in the supply chain industry at Palm Beach State College. Around the world, all types of businesses rely on supply chains to manufacture and distribute their products. Every day, more than 55 million tons of goods move through the U.S. A supply chain is a network of people and organizations that bring a product to market. It encompasses every aspect of a product's journey, from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing to distributing the final product to wholesalers, retailers, and customers. Supply chain professionals oversee all these activities with the goal of maximizing productivity, efficiency, and cost savings. South Florida is a major hub for international shipping, warehousing, and manufacturing. The Port of Palm Beach is one of the fastest growing ports for U.S. exports, driving a high demand for employees with expertise in logistics, procurement, inventory management, transportation, distribution, and operations. At Palm Beach State College, we offer certificate programs plus an associate in science degree, all designed to get students ready to enter the supply chain industry, a field with excellent salaries and lots of opportunities. Let a supply chain career deliver the goods to you.